Hey, welcome back to Willis Talk and night security. Looks like he's taken a few dings since last time I looked at you. You got a little dirt there on you, Kit. What did you do? Run into someone or someone run into you? Poor Kit. Yeah, this is the future of robot security right now. Night Scope. I have dubbed Night Scope fondly as Kit. Mainly because he's also got a K right there. And it's the first robot. Well, at least I've seen for security purposes. And Kit used to be the name of a security type robot car. And Kit, you're already getting some wear and tear on you. You even look like somebody's ran into your side over here. Whoa, what the heck, man? What's going on? I know you're not doing that. You got like this super sensory motions and that to prevent you from doing that. You can't even fall over, I don't think. If you did, can you even upright yourself? Damn, you've even taken some damage. This just happened recently, boy. You're coming ugly. What happened with that? You used to be like beautiful, now you're ugly. You're becoming ugly, man. Damn. That's got that cool little ooh sound like you're stepping into some futuristic place. But seriously, could you imagine ever listening to that music all the time? Now, you hear these noises, like even in Star Trek or Star Wars, and they're supposed to be background noises that's happening all the time. Even some of the most pleasant noises in there. Can you imagine listening to that 24/7 if you were stuck in that room? Or imagine being a security guard on the USS Enterprise or any one of the Starfleet ships, walking from room to room. Those doors, those sounds, oh my gosh. I guess you might get used to it eventually or just go completely nuts. Vulcan mind grip. Hey, maybe that's why they don't have no emotion. I've put out a few more phone calls trying to figure out who, what, when, where, and how, and nothing. Nothing on Village East, nothing on the robot, just nothing. You read that, it looks like it says K5 almost on it. Recording audio and video for your safety. K5. Hey, he's recording me, recording him. Hey, that ain't a new joke. That's an old joke. People do that all the time with me. I just noticed also that right up there in the top grill, he flashes red ever so often. There he did it again. And again. I haven't quite ever seen that little bubble on top of his head go and do anything, but probably will eventually. I thought this other one on this side lit up kind of like this one over here, but it doesn't appear that it is. Perhaps it's just a wee bit broken, but then again, obviously something did hit it. Or scoot it, one of the two. Something happened. Poor Kit. He got assaulted, and he's not bulletproof. Or is he? I don't know. If anybody knows anything more about Kit, Village East, shopping center, anything, please put it down in the comments section down below. Subscribe and like while you're there. I'll give you credit for the information. and follow it up. Until next time, this is Willis and Kit 1.0 signing off. Beep, bop, beep.